Hello guys, welcome to Zero Arabic. Start learning Arabic alphabets, a self-study course. I am your narrator for this course, Muhammad Mursalin Saad. Before we proceed, please subscribe and like. Hello guys, welcome back. Our next lesson is lesson 14. We are going to write the strokes R, E, U. This is alphabet hamzah. This is a standalone alphabet, and here when it is joined with the alif. So when it's a fathah, you have to write on top here the hamzah. If it is a kasra, you have to write the kasra here and the hamzah below. And if it's a dhamma with like a number 9 here, you need to put a hamzah on top of it. So how you write? Yes, like this, hamzah, alif down, and a hamzah here. One more time on top below, and a hamzah. Let's observe. From top, it looks like a letter C, then a small stroke here, hamzah. One more time, small C, then a small stroke here, hamzah. This is hamzah with a fathah. It looks like an alif, a hamzah on top, and put a fathah stroke. Let's do one more time. Alif down, small hamzah, a fathah stroke. Pronounce it with a. Alif, stroke down, with hamzah below, put a stroke below. Pronounce E. One more time. From top, below, put a hamzah here, put a stroke here, down. We call this kasra. Pronounce it with E. Top, bottom, hamzah. Now you need to put the dhamma. It looks like small 9. Pronounce as U. A, E, U. One more time. A, E, U. That's it, guys. Please subscribe and like by pressing the bell to get the latest updates.